Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus Nord with the bloated battery and it requires immediate attention. So let's go fix it right now. So right here we are going to replace the battery on this OnePlus Nord, and thankfully the display and the internal components is undamaged, and we'll find out later. We'll confirm if there's no damage done on this device. And you can see here the back cover is probably made up of plastic, and we can just slice through the adhesive to remove the bloated battery, although we have to be very careful not to puncture the battery as it might explode. Seriously, it can explode. It's a volatile lithium-ion battery, and if you have this exact case of a bloated battery, then bring it to a qualified technician to be inspected and have the battery safely removed and replaced. And thankfully the battery pushed out the back cover, not the main display, and it was easier for us to remove the back cover. And this is, to be honest, this is a mild case of a bloated battery. We have seen much worse case here in the shop before, and on this view you can't really tell if it's bloated or not. So to remove the battery, we need to remove the cover for the main board, pull that out, and reveal the connector or the battery right there. You have to detach that, make sure there's no current going to the main board. There you go. And pull out the battery using this pull tab. You have to be very careful. So a bloated battery can be caused by age. It can also be caused by a faulty charger or a faulty internal component, that, for example, the charging port. But it can also be overheating. Well, if you're using your smartphone while it's charging, then it can overheat the battery and it can cause it to get bloated. So we've sourced a compatible battery for this one. You can see that it's a different color, but it's for the OnePlus Nord. We're gonna attach that here. It's a direct swap. No need for us to remove anything, just the battery itself, and push in the connector. And we'll inspect two things, of course: if it's powering up if it's capable of powering up the smartphone, and will it receive any charge through the charger and the charging port. We will put back the cover for the main board, bring back all the screws, make sure nothing is missed out. Thankfully they are of the same sizes, so no need for us to worry about the order and the placement. So first thing we'll test is charging. Will it charge? Yes, it does. It's showing us the charging icon. We'll wait for a while here. This is the old battery. We'll dispose of it properly after this repair video. It's taking a while to detect the battery. And after you replace the battery, you have to calibrate it. So you need to drain it to 0 and then charge it right back up to 100, I think twice, so that you can calibrate the sensor for the battery. And you can see there it's showing us the percentage. It's around 48% charge, and that's good. So you can see the battery is silver and the original is black, so it's the black is from the factory, but the replacement part that we have is also of good quality. We've sourced it from reputable sources, so no need to worry about the quality of our replacement battery. You can see it's climbed up to 49%, and that's it. That's how you replace a OnePlus Nord battery. Remove the back cover, remove the main board cover, a few screws, and pull out the battery using the pull tab. So if you're interested on getting a OnePlus Nord battery replacement, or if you have a cracked display on your OnePlus Nord, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre and support us. We are a small repair center here in the middle of Sydney, and if you want to have your smartphone fixed but you can't visit Sydney in person, you can also mail in your broken smartphone to us so we can fix it here in the shop and mail it back to you. You can see the battery here. It's a little bit loaded, but enough to push out the back cover as what you've seen at the start of this video. So this one is ready to go. We will just charge it up to 80% and let the client claim it so they can further test it. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this video inspired you to fix your own device, and hopefully you can watch more videos from us. You see here it's all working, a bit laggy, but we'll see you again next time. Take care and cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?